Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S22 and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps on this smartphone. First of all, you need to access device settings and scroll down. Now click on advanced features and scroll all the way down. Then choose dual messenger and tap on the switcher next to one of your available apps that you want to clone, in my case Facebook. Then select install, and if you wish to, after clicking confirm, you can also use separate contact list by tapping on the switcher and tapping on next. I will go with only next though, so now I have to select yes and wait. Then when I click home button and try to find Facebook app, as you can see, it was successfully cloned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!